Shoot It Side Motion Pictures is a brand new production company. Uh, this industry knows me better as a music director and a singer. I have not really switched my profession, but I've added direction to my forte, to my repertoire, and production, of course, from my company. I'm really proud to launch one fantastic artist, Sheetal Gupta, who has sung this song "Aas Paas Kahi Ho Tum," in brackets Ek Din. Please watch, share, like, subscribe to our channel. And this is an experiment that we've done. It's a very simple song, it's a very simple music video, but there's this speciality about it that probably for the first time in history, I don't know, arguably it would be the first music video that is entirely in lip sync, but the entire song portion is in slow motion. So, and Sheetal has rendered the song and performed it fantastically, as you would see. Please watch it and support us, is all I would say.
Well, I am a part of Shoot It Side Motion Pictures. I am the creative head for it. Besides that, I am a singer, of course, and that doesn't change the fact. So I enjoyed every moment doing Aas Paas Kahi, because it was a challenge to do a slow motion song with perfect lip sync. So we had to do I had to do a lot of preparation for that before I could render that. And I really hope that all of you guys will really like it. It's a nice song. He's given beautiful music. And yes, it's his birthday. So happy birthday! And what a good day to announce our. So it happens to be also, I say, Shoot It Side's birthday also as well.
Yeah, actually.
So perhaps
that
we'll be
better,
celebrating Shoot It Side annual day every 11th April. So.
Can we have you both hum a few lines, because when you're singers, then I need the sound.
Yes,
please,
of
Sheetal.
course. So the song which we are here for today is आस पास कहीं हो तुम है ये पता, भीड़ में खोए बन के अजनबी, आस पास कहीं हो तुम है दिल जानता, कहीं ना कहीं देखोगे तुम कभी, एक दिन एक दिन एक दिन. Shoot That Side.
Shoot It Side is the name of the company. Okay, so Rajesh Roy is a very dear friend, a very old friend. I know him and respect him because he's a very talented musician. And that he's opened his production house, अपना production house खोला है, एक किस्म से surprise था मेरे लिए. But अब उन्होंने खोल दिया है, इनके साथ उन्होंने अपनी पहली शुरुआत की है. I wish him all the best, and I know he's a he's a workaholic है, मतलब काम करते ही रहता है. मैंने सिर्फ म्यूज़िक के एरिया में देखा है, अब फिल्म बनानी शुरू की है, तो I suppose he'll make a lot of stuff, and I wish him the best. And I hope he does a lot of good stuff. You know. Okay, and I hope he also casts me in one of his projects along with this beautiful lady.
Goes without saying.
Sheetal Gupta.
Sheetal Gupta.
Yes.
This beautiful lady, Sheetal Gupta. I wish her all the best also.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. खुदा हाफिज़ भाई, क्या कर रहे थे?
राजा, सोलो किया?
Rajesh is an old neighbor of mine. We live in the same building, and I keep listening to his new songs which he keeps directing, and we bump into each other in the lift and all, and he sends me his videos and his short films and everything. I love him. He's very good in his job. And first of all, I would like to congratulate him on his new production house by the name Shoot It Side, and wishing him a great birthday too. I think I can only say few things about him. He's a genuine guy, very honest to his work, very humble, very down to earth, very simple. I know his family. My entire family knows him, and I've always found him very dedicated towards whatever he does. And I just saw his short film, and I also saw his one of the music videos which he has directed. Brilliant, I think brilliant stuff. And he's not only a good music director now, but also a good video director. And I have all praises for him. All the best to him. And Rajesh, I just wish and pray for him that God bless him and he gets all the success in life. He should prosper and become successful. Thank you. Thank you.
देखिए अच्छी बात है, पहले उन्होंने म्यूज़िक सीखा, बनाया, इतना एक्सपीरियंस लिया, हिंदुस्तान में काम किया, ओवरसीज़ में काम किया और फिर उनको आर्टिस्ट हैं तो महसूस हुआ कि मैं लिख भी सकता हूँ और वो लिखा उन्होंने और फिर शॉर्ट फिल्म बनाई है, गाने भी कुछ पिक्चराइज़ किए हैं उन्होंने अपनी कंपनी में। अब अपनी कंपनी उन्होंने शुरुआत की है, उसके अंदर बनाएंगे चीज़ें, अलग अलग फिल्में बनाएंगे। तो मैं समझता हूँ अच्छी बात है। सबसे बड़ी बात है कि आपको समझ होनी चाहिए कि आप क्या क्या करने जा रहे हो, क्योंकि सारे डिपार्टमेंट अलग अलग हैं, लेकिन अगर आप में वो चीज़ें आ जाती हैं तो सब चीज़ें एक हो जाती हैं, मर्ज हो जाती हैं एक दूसरे में, क्योंकि इंटरकनेक्टेड तो हैं हम। अगर आप म्यूज़िक बना सकते हैं तो लिखना भी अगर अंदर आपके है तो आप लिख भी सकते हो। तो मुझे खुशी है कि राजेश के पास इतना टैलेंट है कि वो म्यूज़िक के साथ साथ लिखना भी जानता है और अब उसने कंपनी बनाई है जिसके अंदर वो अपनी शॉर्ट फिल्म्स और कुछ गाने और या फिल्में बनाने का उन्होंने मुझे बताया भी है कि फिल्में बनाएंगे कुछ मिलके। तो मैं उसे गुड लक कहता हूँ और आज का दिन भी बहुत अच्छा है उसके लिए भी, इसलिए आज इकट्ठे हुए, उनका जन्मदिन भी है, उनका कंपनी भी लॉन्च हो रहा है, तो मेरी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं उनको, ऑल द बेस्ट कहता हूँ। और राजेश भाई आप तो हार्ड वर्किंग हो, आप हार्ड वर्क करते रहो, मंजिल दूर नहीं है। ऑल द बेस्ट।
What do you want to know?
So, best wishes for Shoot at Sight Motion Pictures.
Yeah, I want to wish Shoot at Sight Pictures all the very best. Rajesh is a friend and Sheetal, I think you're partners. So I wish the both of them all the best. और भैया नाम है Shoot at Sight, मुझे बोला गया है, बोलने नहीं तो you know what is going to happen now. I'm just joking. He's a very dear friend and all the best to both of you all.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Cheers, अब party करें.
बिल्कुल।
So, one more question.
Yeah.
Best wishes for his birthday even.
अरे
Oh yeah, wish him a very very happy birthday. We'll have to give him 72 bumps,
Oh
I
my
think.
God.
Or let's interchange. 27 दे देते हैं यार. चलो.
Yeah, best wishes for Rajesh Roy and his new company, so Shoot at Sight.
Yeah, Rajesh is very old friend of mine. Jab Bombay he landed, actually he used to stay with our family. Rajesh is very very talented singer. Then he become good composer and अभी ये इसका new venture है. We are very old friend of in Bombay. हम लोग साथ में काम किया है काफ़ी. म्यूज़िकल में तो उसके जवाब नहीं है, बट अभी उसकी जो नई वेंचर ही स्टार्टेड, आई होप इट विल गोज रियली रॉक एंड बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं उसको, बहुत अच्छा करे, क्योंकि हम लोग बंगाली लोग शहर छोड़ के, इस शहर में तो आपको पता ही है बंगाली इज़ ऑलवेज रॉकिंग एंड अगेन आई वांट वन मोर बंगाली विल कम अप एज ही इज़ गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइंड, वी आर इनटू सेम फील्ड एंड उसका सारे वेंचर जो भी इस कंपनी के थ्रू में करे, इट्स डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू गेट द वेरी गुड सक्सेस.
Yeah, ma'am. And one more thing is like they had done a music video, some lines for that.
सी म्यूज़िकल कुछ भी काम राजेश तो अच्छा ही करेगा, क्योंकि राजेश पहला राजेश की जो डैड है उसकी फैमिली बिलोंग्स टू द म्यूजिशियन लाइक माय फैमिली आल्सो सेम इन कोलकाता. सो म्यूज़िकल कुछ भी काम ही विल डू डेफिनेटली वेल, आई नो. उसके साथ साथ जो भी उसकी न्यू प्रोजेक्ट जो फिल्म्स जो भी आ रहा है थ्रू दिस कंपनी, आई थिंक डेफिनेटली ही गॉट ए गुड टीम एंड अच्छे से उसको सक्सेस देंगे. और म्यूज़िक वीडियो के लिए ऑल द बेस्ट. आई डेफिनेटली आई नो as I told you, Bengali is going to be always rock in Bombay.
Thank you, ma'am.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ राजेश रॉय के लिए. Today is his birthday, so I want to wish him happy birthday and I wish him a lot of success. And अभी Shoot It Sight is the name of his production company. अभी मैंने उनका short film and music video देखा with Sheetal Gupta. It's looking fabulous. So मैं अपनी शुभकामनाएं भेजती हूँ and I hope they're going to rock the music industry and the film industry. Thank you.
Thank you.